Hello and welcome back to Python 2020. So in this video we are starting a Python video series in that we will cover 10 different programs to make your basics strong, and this is the first program, and in this program we are going to perform all mathematical operations in one program. And if you are new to Python and you don't know how to work with PyCharm and Python, you can find the link in description. So this is what we are going to do. Step 1, we will take two different inputs, which is two different numbers from user using Python input method. And then we will require one more input. So this input will decide which operation user want to perform. So that will be plus, minus, division or multiplication, anything. And then finally we will perform that operation using Python. And then we will print the output of that Python mathematical operation. So if you hit the like button, that is going to help my channel to grow and that will be a great support. So let's see this in practical. So here the first thing is that we have to declare two variables in Python, and then we have to take user input and assign that input to those variables. So here in these two lines, this variable I have declared number one, and then I am taking the input from user here. And I am just taking only integer type of input. And in Python, when you are declaring a variable, you don't have to tell the type. Python will understand that which type of variable it is. All right. So now we have two inputs taken from the user or from the keyboard. Now we will ask user which operation he want to perform. So these two line of Python, we are taking the choice from user. So first we are printing the message that if user want to perform addition in Python, enter A. If user want to perform subtraction in Python, S. If user want to perform multiplication, M. For division, D. Right? And then we are storing that input into this. Now based on this input, we will perform the operation. And in this line, what I am doing, I am declaring one more variable to store the result after performing the operation. And then in a if condition, if the user input this calculation type input from user dot upper I have converted, so that even if user is entering in a small, the program itself will convert that into uppercase and consider the user input always as caps. So if user is entering A, then plus number 1 plus number 2 in the result. And then how we will print addition of number 1 and number 2 is result. Alright, hope you are able to get it. If not, please leave your comment. I will explain it once again, but it is very basic. You should be able to understand it. Now, same thing we will repeat in elif. So elif like else if in other programming languages. So I will type the code for all the operations and then I will explain. So here, if user is entering S from here, line number 5, then subtraction operation will be performed. If user is entering M, then multiplication operation will be performed. And if user is entering D, which is division, then division will be performed. And then we will be printing the result in the same manner. Because variable names are same, only thing these conditions are making difference here. So if, elif and else, there are three things you can see right now on your screen. So once we start with if that condition is not matched, then next condition in the sequence within elif will be executed by the compiler and checked. If this is true, then program will not go ahead. If false, then program will come to the next level. If this is also not true, then program will come here. If none of this true, then else will be executed. Else statement will be executed. So in Python, elif replace the else if in other languages. All right. So if you don't understand any line of this code, please mention in the comment. I would explain you. I will remove these extra spaces so that you can see everything on your screen right now. You can pause the screen and you can practice this program yourself. So now this is time to run and check if this program is working fine or not. I'll just run, enter first number. I am going to enter 33. The second number, maybe 33. Oh, I will enter 22. For addition, enter A. For subtraction, S. For multiplication, M. So now let's try S. Alright, so you see the message here. This Python compiler has worked as we have told him. Subtraction message. Now let's run once again, and this time we will see multiplication. 4, 5. I want to perform M multiplication. Alright, just hit the like button and share your feedback in comment. Let me know if you wanted me to make any other program or any other mathematical or any other calculations. Give me the ideas. Thank you very much for your time. Keep practicing, keep learning. See you once again in the next program, that is program to calculate students' percentage and grade.